Welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Construction continues at Spotify Camp Nou with favorable weather enabling steady advancement across all sectors. Today's walkthrough reveals notable progress, including protective netting installations, preparing for seating work, and tensioning cable deployments indicating slat work approaches. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's explore the developments around the stadium. We begin at Tribuna, where concrete panels have been positioned at elevator structure bases, a significant enclosure milestone. Chrome tubes remain extensively staged awaiting installation phases. Upper zones display reduced personnel presence with protective sheeting fully removed from panels, exposing finished surfaces. The diamond structures show minimal advancement. The cafeteria diamond has an elevated platform, positioned though unoccupied. Corner panels installed last week remain the latest progress, with upper doorway glazing pending. The official store shows earth grading complete, with the entrance ramp fully formed. Glass configurations remain unchanged, though interior activity is audible. Between Tribuna and South Goal, workers are deploying blue protective netting below seating beams. An orange container ascends, while ground operations show positioned equipment. South Goal displays fresh components positioned in upper zones. Support brackets show no advancement for weeks. Left sector installation remains stalled, while right sector brackets sit unchanged. The corner section shows tensioning cables being installed connecting support brackets. Multiple cables link assemblies preparing for imminent slat work, possibly before the adjacent sector completes. Workers on platforms operate behind bracket connections performing inspections. Two platforms function in lower zones with a concrete pump nearby. Before continuing, please like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds. It's free and supports our daily updates. Now let's continue around the stadium. Lateral elevator structures show sandwich panels reaching complete upper height, with characteristic gaps. The right structure displays recent panel installations with a blue platform positioned for continued work. From distance, no new phalanges appear in upper zones, configuration unchanged. Scaffolding towers remain between radial beams, awaiting phalange installation. Advancing closer shows one phalange remaining mid-lateral, with the second relocated to North Goal. The compression ring pillar with yellow hardware remains staged for imminent lifting. A concrete pump actively pours where rebar mesh was positioned last week. Staircase structures show varying completion levels. The corner shows blue tarps with positioned rebar, indicating imminent pouring. North Goal corner displays substantial glass coverage across central sections. Upper zones show rock wool positioned with trim covers pending. Central North Goal shows workers at support brackets performing preparation, though anchor installation isn't imminent. Upper zones display platform and crane activity positioning beams. Glass panels are installed in sections with trim covers positioned. North Goal corner shows fourth chrome tube installation continuing. Glass staging is nearly depleted with panels now installed. Prefabricated seating continues staging. Workers measure beams, possibly preparing for bracket installation. That's today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. I hope you enjoyed seeing the concrete panels at Tribuna, tensioning cables advancing, protective netting deployment, and glass installations progressing throughout. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for daily construction coverage. It really helps us continue bringing you these updates. Thanks so much for watching Megaverse Builds. See you tomorrow.